Beckett Neutralizer Condensate Pump Installation. The unit can be installed on the floor or be mounted on the wall. Before beginning installation, remove the clear lid and remove the neutralizer media from the sealed plastic bags. Place the mesh bags and media back into the two inlet chambers and snap the clear lid back in place. This neutralizer media should be replaced once per year to maintain code-compliant drain water discharged from the pump. Select a location for the tank that is level and is below the condensate drain line or pan. The bullseye level confirms level installation. Connect the condensing appliance drain line to either the side tank inlet or one of the two clear lid inlets. Extend the drain tubing below the lid 1 inch, but not all the way to the bottom, for unrestricted inlet flow. The pump outlet is a replaceable twist-lock check valve that connects to 3/8 inch ID vinyl tubing. Adjust the installed pumping height if necessary to be less than the maximum condensate flow rate of your high-efficiency appliance. After the peak pumping height, slant the outlet tubing down to assist gravity drainage. The safety switch leads may be connected to the low-voltage thermostat to shut down the HVAC system in case of a high water condition. The Lift to Test tab helps you easily confirm pump operation with or without water present. The main switch automatically starts and stops the pump based on water level in the tank. Beckett, pumps you can trust.